Today we're going to be talking about Objective 10, which is your special products. So you have some special product formulas that we're going to talk about today. And this is whenever you have two binomials, one is the sum and one is the difference of the same thing. So that's x plus y times x minus y. When you have that case, it always equals x squared minus y squared. So that's your first special product formula. The second one is whenever you have binomial squared. So whenever you have a binomial and it's squared. So it's x plus y squared. That always equals x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. And then you have, for your last special product formula, x minus y squared. That equals x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. So we're going to be talking about these formulas, and I'm going to be showing you how to utilize them whenever you need to. So let's take, for example, that you have 3x minus 4 squared. So you have a binomial squared here, and it's a difference. So you know that that formula of x minus y squared, that's going to equal x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. So let's break this down a little bit here. So the 3x is your x value, and the 4 is your y value. So now let's substitute it in. So we have 3x squared minus 2 times 3x times the y value, which is 4, plus 4 squared, or the y value squared. So then if we solve this, we're going to have 3 squared is 9x squared minus, you have 2 times 3 times 4. So 2 times 3 is 6, times 4 is 24x. And then you have plus 4 squared, which is 16. So that is the answer set. Then utilizing the formula, as you know, of a binomial squared. So let's take another example. Here we have 6x plus 7y squared. Again, we know that that formula, based upon the first page here that we talked about, when you have the sum, it's x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So here we have the x value, which is 6x, and the y value, which is 7y. So now let's substitute those in. So we have 6x squared plus 2 times 6x times 7y plus 7y squared. And now let's solve. So 6 times 6 is 36x squared plus 2 times 6 is 12 times 7 is 84. You still have an x and a y, xy, plus 7 times 7 is 49y squared. So now, that's an example of those. So let's now take an example that we have of x plus y times x minus y. So we're going to have 3x plus 5 times 3x minus 5. So here you have your sum, and here you have your difference. Well, in the front page, we already talked about, we have x plus y times x minus y. So our formula is x squared minus y squared. So we know that this equals x squared minus y squared. So we have the y value, the x value is 3x, and the y value is 5. So we have 3x squared minus 5 squared. So we're going to be left with 9x squared minus 25. And that's your answer. Enjoy.